Hello guys, this is Wakapitch again at nandito na naman tayo ngayon para sa panibago ting gameplay at sa video natin ito ay susuport na maglaro ng isang napakalupet at napakaangas na free-to-play action RPG game na malalaro natin sa ating mobile, pwede rin sa PC. But anyway guys, lalaro natin ito ngayon sa mobile at ito nga ang Mongil Stardive, okay? So di ko alam kung anong tamang pronunciation ng Mongil or Mongil ba to, okay? So but anyway, susubukan nito guys. So may pagka to, may pagka Genshin Impact na may pagka Pokemon. So ayun, kaya susubukan natin to, malalaman natin lahat yan sa gameplay natin mamaya. But anyway, yung link ng game na to ilalagay ko sa description ng video na to or sa comment section. I-download nyo na lang kapag nagustuhan nyo. So napakabago lang na itong game na to, kakalaunch lang nitong April 2026. But anyway, start na natin to, let's go. At excited rin masubukan kung anong meron dito, kung anong nakapaloob sa larong ito. At ito na ang napakalupet na introduction. Okay, uy, anime style. Wow. Path of Dawn casual, recommended for players who want to immerse themselves in the story. Path of Dusk, recommended for players who want to fully enjoy the action. Okay guys, I think dito na lang tayo guys sa more on action than more on story. Let's go. Okay. So, there are no differences in rewards between different start. Di ko na binabasa yan. Start na natin to. At anong meron dito? A knife with a anime girl?
If only we'd met sooner. Maybe things might have... Maybe it wouldn't have ended like this.
Grabe, ang cute nung anime na yun. Uy, nasaksak pala siya.
It was me?
What?
Cloud,
Grabe.
thank you.
Ang laki ng kalungkutan niya guys. Hindi ko na-expect na ganun kalaki yung kalungkutan na itong babae na to.
Threads of fate must be deployed
Naku,
to stick
nag-fade
together
na yung knife. Ito na, maubusan niya siya ng dugo. Naku po, ang laki talaga.
the world.
Nalulungkot siya.
I am
Napakalaking
the one
peligro.
and only irreplaceable needle.
Ooh.
Don't go!
The background music feels like cinematic. Okay. With big kalungkutan. Joke lang yun guys ha. So joke lang guys. But anyway, ay panaginip. So kadalasan sa dami-dami ko nilalaro ng mga game guys,
You've had a lot of nightmares.
kadalasan mga introduction ng story puro
This is why you
panaginip.
shouldn't nap without a roof over
At
your
naidagdag
head.
na naman to sa listahan ko ng mga nalaro kong ganon. Okay, introduction panaginip. Sino tong babae to? Sino tong kalangan to?
Without me.
What?
I smell something delicious.
Oh,
What was it?
Dried cappy! Roasted some dried cappy! Cause we'd be home by now if you weren't slacking off earlier. Like this.
gaga po. Did you eat without me? No ka ba? Mongil Stardive.
No way, that was not...
So, di ko alam yung correct pronunciation sa title niya guys na Mongil or Mongil ha. Okay. But anyway, sarap ng tulog ng babae oh.
I'm so hungry.
Parang Adan at Eva lang. Dadalawa lang yata sila dito eh. Okay, and ngayon guys, ito na yung character natin, yung lalaki. At maghanap tayo ngayon dito ng makakain natin, The Dreamer's Boy Adventure. And let's start our adventure. Pero bago natin i-start, syempre guys, check muna natin yung graphics quality. Okay, pero nakalock pa. Ayun, okay na. Settings natin. Syempre, para for better experience to play this game is i-try natin to i-max graphics. Okay, resolution, syempre, i-verify natin yan. FPS, 60 FPS dapat yan. Okay, I think okay na siya guys. Ay, meron pa pala sa baba. Verify. Okay. Alright. I-off natin to. And ito guys, kita nyo, sagad graphics. And let's try. And here we go. Okay. Sige, sige. Woo. Taksan ko nga. Ganda ng background music niya. Feels like nostalgic background music na pinamodern. Parang ano, Monster Hunter, ganun.
I can
Okay,
always
but anyway.
trust my gut.
Yellow mushroom, what is
Oh
this?
no. These are
Poisonous.
poisonous.
So naghanap kasi tayo dito ng
I'm so
pagkain natin.
hungry. I should have listened to Verna.
Okay, so sa graphics niya guys is improvements na rin to para sa mga new generation games sa mobile, which is nice.
Wait, is that a cappy field? If there are cappies around here, that means there must be mushrooms nearby.
Ano, mushroom, nakakita mo na nga mushroom.
Careful.
Kaso red mushroom, ayun, ayun, ito. Huwag yung mga yan. Ito dapat kunin natin. Kasi pag nakuha nyo yan, baka anong mangyari. Natutulog eh. Parang buhay tong mga to eh. Okay? Tap down natin na mabilis. And ayan. Nakakuha tayo ng mushroom. Wala kaya.
This should be enough. I wish I had something to drink, too. Wait, what's that smell? It smells savory, fatty, and delicious. Something's cooking.
Who is cooking?
Where's it coming from? Over there?
Alright. Sino kayo nagluluto na yun?
Where'd Cloud
At ayun,
go?
nagising na nga yung babae guys.
Oh no, he's probably chasing after some monster again. He's always such a handful.
Alright.
Do I need a babysitter to watch him?
Now, gagamit tayo guys ng female character. Which is I think, meron tong switching type ng character sa battle mode niya.
Oh,
So kasi dalawa yung
These are his
kinokontrol natin eh. But anyway, na-detect niya yung footprints. Where to go? Okay. Oh! Lumabas na yung mga copy enemies. Pap! Kanina kasi natutulog guys. But anyway, gising na sila. So let's try this. Meron tayo dito I don't know if second skill yan or first skill. But subukan na lang natin tong skill na to.
that's as far as you go.
Oh!
That's
Yun lang.
crazy.
May frame drops sa phone
I've
natin.
never seen Cappy's charge at
Hindi ata
someone
optimize.
like that
Pero
before.
optimize to guys. Siguro hindi na kinakaya ng phone natin yung mga laro. Okay, yung attack animation niya. So, kung lang siya. Normal. Common lang. Yung mga ganong attack animations. Let's see. Ay, putik-itik. Sana yung
Cloud?
inihaw.
What are you doing over there?
Bakit?
Verna, look.
Parang di pa natatakot yung kalaban. Sino yun?
A new monster. Save it, quick.
Ooh.
Should I just leave you there?
Save me too.
So, may pagka-comedy. Which is nice.
It's like you were on the menu, huh?
Hindi lang siya
Quick,
more
I'm
on
being roasted.
fantasy stories. May pagka-comedy.
How did
Nice.
this even happen?
I'm saved.
Oh. Ay, putik-itik. Akala ko kung ano nakakatakot na kalaban.
What? I'm a year younger than her.
Run, you idiot!
Putik-itik. Ang cute nung kalaban natin. Malaking baboy guys. Na isang chef. Natuhog niya pa yun.
My food runs away, I get hungry. When I get hungry, I get angry.
Okay. Let's attack this. Ayun. Speaking of switching character, while battling guys, ito meron nga ditong ganong concept. Ayan. Kung nakita nyo. Okay. Alright.
Freeze!
Oh, a lot of frame drops.
Out of my way!
Yung babae, ganda nung attack nyo. With flame. Yung lalaki naman guys is more on ano siya, range type. And yung babae is melee type. Putik-itik, baliktad ah. Dapat laging nasa intro yung ano eh. Yung lalaki, nasa harap eh. Dito, ginawang babae. Ano yung kinuha niya? Ang laking potato. What the heck? Ang kunat na ito guys, si Fork Mugger. Putik-itik, ginagamit niya yung potato. But anyway, the ultimate. Boom! Putik-itik, parang Yurichi lang yun ah. Sun breathing.
We got
Nako, nilatigo niya na, nilaso niya na.
boiling hot!
Oh! Oh, what happened? But
My
anyway,
turn to shine.
ayan na.
Frozen solid.
Oh, yung kanina apoy, ngayon naman guys is yellow.
Out of my way!
Okay. Gagi yung weapon nyo. Fork na nga siya, fork pa yung weapon niya. Grabe talaga, mushroom. Paubos na yung health ng babae. Kaya guys, kailangan natin gamitin ito lalaki guys. At paubos na rin yung health ng level 1 Fork Mugger. At ayun, boom, boom. Tapos, hop. Oh. Ay naku, ano yan? Patay ah. Ano nangyari? Parang Pokemon type yung Team R
God.
ba yun? Puti ka
Where'd
lagi
Neaners go?
lumilipad. Uy, nyan.
Huh? Did we save it already? How'd you get free?
Nyan.
It probably wasn't tied up to begin with.
It wasn't?
Well, I guess that means we're done with our request. Let's head back.
Then what about Neaners?
Neanners?
Nyaners.
Well, earlier it was going meow meow, so it's Neaners.
You already named it?
Putik.
Whatever. Leave it. If these
Pinangalanan niya
monsters
na.
live around here, we're bound to see tons more.
Oh, mas madaming
Guess so.
monster. Okay. So, ayun guys, kita nyo naman, meron tayong monster na nakuha ngayon dito. So, feels like or more likely, para siyang ano talaga, Pokemon. Okay, kasi you collect different types of monster, which is nice. Pero itong game na to, balita ko is parang may ni-reborn tong dating game na rin na pina-advance, ganon. So yung pagkakaintindi ko pero nakalimutan ko na anong klaseng laro yun. But anyway guys, ito nga si Nyay. Ayan, yan.
Sorry, but this is goodbye.
Meow.
I'll be sure to come see you again.
Nako,
Let's hurry back
iwan
to
yan.
Hananes. We should report that our request.
Ba't iiwan nyo si Nyan? Alright, kawawa naman si Nyan guys.
Home sweet home.
Oh.
How many days has it been?
I've lost track. How many times do I have to tell you not to chase after monsters?
I know, but chasing them is how we found the... Wasn't it?
Fork mugger?
Sure, and if I'd found you any later, you definitely would have been fork mugger food.
Yeah, I'd be in its belly along with Neaners. Thanks for saving me.
Ay!
Yeah, you should thank her
Sinama
too, Neaners.
nila.
Keep thanking her, she'll...
Ay, hindi lang sinama. Aksidenteng sumama. Oh. Ang ganda maging stop toy nung ano na yun nung monster na yun guys. And here we go. What a lag. Ba't ganito dito? Napakalag dito guys. Let's check the settings. Okay, naka-very high naman na siya dito. Pero grabe ang lag niya guys. I-off na lang natin ito. Kasi minsan ito yung nagpapalag Okay. Hindi na siya ganun ka-smooth dito guys.
You've been following us the whole time. From the very beginning.
Can
Okay.
you really understand what it's saying? Or are you...
Wala. O, hindi ko maintindihan kung ano sinasabi niya.
We'll
Puro
find out
niyan.
once we get there.
Okay
We've gotta go
guys.
to the gathering hub anyways.
Let's go. Ba't ang lag dito sa area na to? Siguro napakaraming ano dito. So still the same pero mas naging smooth siya ng konti. But anyway, let's go. Ayun, other monster guys. Ang dami Tik-tik pa rin di pa natin siya mapulot. What a lag. Open sesame. Okay guys. Nandito tayo sa loob. Ang ganda. Para siyang ano, yung... Uy, Axolot. Axolot Alam niyo yung parang mga 2D game, pixelated game, parang ganun yung type nito na parang drone view yung tawag doon. Pero this time guys is naka 360 view na tayo.
Hello,
Mas upgraded,
adventurers.
ganun.
What can I help you with?
Okay?
We took down a fork mugger. Wow, that's
Oh.
very impressive. Well, we had some high quality bait on our hands.
We had bait?
Uh, I'll mark this one down as complete. Jeez, you're impossible.
I-register natin si
Hello,
Nyanner.
adventurers. What can I help you with?
Lib. Okay. Okay, return to Monster Hammers. Here we go.
Hello? Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. Hello?
Go away, I don't wanna.
Do we come back later? She's not gonna wake up.
Oh no, whatever shall we do? We found a new monster that we've never seen before. Should we eat it?
New monster? Am I still dreaming?
Baka rare yan
Not here. Truly unknown. Leave it here. Now.
Huh? No way! No! It's my Neaners!
Danger
Nyanners.
test. It won't take long.
Be a good kitty. Stay here, okay?
Ay. Oh, puti ka ba magigis? Joke lang.
Why are you being so dramatic?
I'll come back for you. I promise.
Ang lupit ng story na ito guys. Natutuwa ako sa story na itong game na to. Sometime later.
Ah, you're here. I'm done. With the
Okay.
assessment, I mean.
Ano, na-search mo na ba kung
It's not
sino?
a dangerous monster. Probably.
I knew it. There's no way Nyanners would hurt anyone.
Okay.
Name?
Cloud.
Cloud.
Not you.
Right.
This one. Here. It needs a name. You get...
Okay, so papangalanan natin guys, Nyanners na ba natin to? Siyempre hindi. Ang pangalan nito ay Sipon. Okay. Our new discovered monster na si Sipon guys.
What an interesting name.
Oh, interesting, di ba? Sabi sa inyo, Sipon, interesting name yan. Okay.
Okay, we'll be
Laki
going.
nyo, gagi.
Hold on. Don't go yet. You need to see something.
Ooh.
What's going on? Why is everyone here?
I'm not sure. I heard there's some new type of monster.
This Cappy, no one's managed to tame it. All of the professors back at HQ gave up. It bites a lot.
Sungit.
Okay, good luck.
Oh, teka. Nakalabanin natin ito? Oo, teka na. Nanonood sila guys, oh. Switch natin sa babae.
Get out of the way!
Wow naman, ang cute pa naman nito si Cappy. Oh. So namatay siya. Capture. Ah.
Alright, it's time for the fun part.
Nyanners, I choose you!
Si Sipon. Ooh.
It ate it? Raw? No seasoning?
How is that relevant right now? What?
It didn't eat it. Check it out, it's
Ah.
a monsterling. Quality? Top tier. A monsterling means that this monster was completely and thoroughly tamed. Normally that would take at least a decade. Add hot water. Ta-da!
No.
Monsters aren't ramen.
Oh.
Cappy!
Huh?
Cappy!
Oh, teka, na-enjoy ko na panoorin guys.
That's great and all, but
This special ability
what?
is unique to Nyanners. What ability? Its digestive tract must be connected to another dimension. Unlimited belly space. Its saliva has an extremely strong sedative effect that can subdue even the most aggressive of monsters, as long as the target has been thoroughly worn out first. But if those conditions aren't met, the possibilities... Less talk. Bad stuff in, good stuff out. The end.
Alright. But I think guys, hanggang dito na lang tong
Are you looking to take on more
gameplay
requests?
natin. Okay. So, ayan. Kita nyo guys, napakalupit na itong game na to. So, na-enjoy ko na. Wala na akong nasabi kanina nabanggit about dun sa cutscenes
Whatever
lang
it
yon.
takes.
Ang lupit eh. Parang inaabangan mo talaga ang
this one's
ganda.
pretty.
Okay. Uy,
I'll
naging
take it.
kitchen pa. Buti ka. So, yun guys, download nyo na lang to. Recommended ko rin to. Maganda. Promise. So, ilalagay ko sa description yung link ng game na to. So, yung size nito nasa 10 gig pataas. At ayun, i-download nyo na lang kapag gusto nyo. Maraming salamat. This is Wakapage again. Goodbye. Kita ka sa next video. Alright.